Hey baddies, it's your girl Sham and I'm back with another video. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you could be a baddie too. Obviously, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be an AliGrace wig unboxing and just a quick little initial review. So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. You got me twisted. You got me twisted. Okay, so this is me opening the package. It did come through DHL, which I hate DHL, but I digress. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, need a pair of scissors. That's fine. All right, and then this is me pulling it out of the package. And then if there's an invoice in here, there's something in here. Ooh, yes, Lord. Okay, perfect, because I needed some new wig caps. Got 2 of them. These are the ones that I get from the beauty supply store, so verified. What's this? Okay. Hey, pretty much this is a content thing where, like, if you post a video you could get some money, or if you get over so many views you could get cash back, so that's nice. Ooh, that's kind of cute. They give you some instructions on like how to maintain the hair, which not everybody gives anymore, so that's nice. Yeah, so there's just this little pamphlet. There is no invoice, so let me find my phone and see what I bought exactly. I know what I bought, but I don't remember every little detail off the top of my head, so hold on. This is AliGrace. Okay, so I bought AliGrace Peruvian Body Wave Lace Front with pre-plucked hairline, 26 inches, 250 density, 13x4 lace front. So I paid, is that how much I paid, child? $376.88. Yikes. But to be honest, that was the cheapest I could find for 26 inches of hair. Unfortunately, the wig market has skyrocketed. I used to could get 2 decent length wigs with a decent amount of density for like a little over $300, and now one wig is pushing $400, and I just wish y'all would stop wearing wigs so that people like me could afford them. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try this on for you guys. All right, while I'm putting this on, let me just mention, I have purchased hair from AliGrace before, but it was on Amazon. I'm almost certain they have an Amazon store, which is where I bought it from. I have I want to say a 10-inch bob that I cut into like a little pixie cut with bangs. I'll insert a photo over here. And then I have a 12-inch bob that's giving like natural face framing, silk press, blowout, whatever. It looks like my natural hair straight essentially. So I do like their hair, but I think those are Brazilian wigs. And again, this is Peruvian. I think Peru and Brazil are in the same continent. Are they both in South America? I know they're not the same country, but I'm pretty sure they're both in South America. So I was like, you know, I'm used to my Brazilian bundles, but at the same time, like, if they're on the same continent, I don't really think that their hair texture is going to be that different. Who knows? Who cares? I did go for the cheapest option. And I was hesitant to get the 180 density or the 250, but I settled on the 250 because I'm like, if it's too thick, I can always take thinning shears and thin it out, versus if it's too thin, I can't add hair to it. I do have a little bit of smell, child. It smells like the elephant exhibit at the zoo, which, you know, I'm not completely shocked, but it's giving that hair smell. Which again, I'm used to the hair smell, but like, Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is the lace. Here's the 4 inches, 13 across. The knots look kind of knotty. It doesn't look that bad on the camera actually, but it's giving like ... Again, 26 inches straight end, and then 250 density, which it's reminding me of the Wiggins wig that I had that got destroyed. I'll post that video up here in the corner. And that one was 180. So what I've noticed is Wiggins, their 180 density is thick, versus all these other companies, their 180 is thin, and then their 250 is giving Wiggins 180. I feel like my head is too big for this. Okay, no, there we go. I'm like, what's really going on? They did pre-cut some baby hair, so can't be mad at that. Let me see. Y'all know I'm a middle part queen, so this is probably how I will part mine, somewhere like that. And if y'all haven't seen any of my wig videos, when I do a middle part, I make sure the first initial part of it is bone straight, and then I always hook it going backwards, because that's how most natural middle parts look, is that it's super straight until a certain point and then it kind of hooks off on either side. So to make my wigs look more natural, that's just what I do. The hair is really soft. I ain't gonna lie about that, child. I don't want to break my fingers through it too much, because then it's going to make the texture, it's going to get bigger and bigger since it's dry. But super soft. I'm not getting any shedding as of right now, which is always a good thing. Let's see what else. I'm looking at this mirror down here in the corner. Sorry if I'm like okay, let me stand up and show you guys what the length looks like on me dry. Sorry. Okay, so let me just stand up straight, child. Okay, so standing up, this is the length on me, which looks a little short, but it is a body wave. If I were to take the far back piece and pull it down as if it were straight, oh yeah, there's 26 inches, and we definitely are probably going to straighten her out, because that's the length I want right there, child. That right there. Boom. And I know some of y'all are probably wondering, like, if you were gonna straighten it, why did you get the body wave? Well, because the body wave hair holds a better curl if you ever want to wand curl it, versus buying the hair straight. It doesn't want to hold a curl. So I get it body wave, and I straighten it out when I want to straighten it, and I curl it when I want to curl it, and I keep it pushing. So let me show you guys now. This is all of the hair pushed to the back. Hopefully y'all can see me. I can't see myself. And then this is the ponytail, with the amount of hair that I would have in a ponytail, which is decent. It's giving the Wiggins wig that I had, but again, this is 250 density, and the Wiggins one I had was 180, and it was a little bit thicker. But I'm not mad at it. Not mad at this at all. I really enjoy the softness of this hair. It hasn't shed or anything yet. The length is perfect. I'm gonna have to do something with these little knots, child, but other than that, I appreciate the little baby hairs that they put on here, and for the price, I really can't be mad, to be honest, because the other wigs I was looking at, like, I was gonna go to Wiggins and get a wig, and they wanted like $430, $440 for 26 inches, 180 density, Brazilian 4x13, and like, I wasn't coughing it up. So I saved myself about $100, and I really think it was a good investment. So yeah, AliGrace, thank you, ma'am, for doing what needed to be done. Like I said, I have purchased some wigs before on Amazon, so I will put the links to the ones that I purchased on Amazon down below. And then I'll put the link to this one also down in the description, because I bought this one directly from the website. It took about a week for it to get here. Let me see when I got it, when I ordered it. I think I ordered it on May 25th, and it got here. When did it get here? It got here this weekend, child. It was either Saturday or Sunday, so I either got it on the 28th or the 29th. So it didn't even take a week, you know? Can't be mad at it. So that is all I have for you guys. I'm gonna switch wigs and then do my outro, because I'm not going out like this. Alright, so that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got to the end of this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also click the bell notification so that you get notified when I post every single Sunday at 5 p.m. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this type of content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I will probably do like a 1 month, 3 month update as far as the wig goes, because again, this is my initial review. I haven't washed it or blow dried it or straightened it or done anything to it just yet. So if there's anything dramatic that happens, I will come up on here and update you guys. While you're down there, click that link in my description so that you can listen to my music. I have a song dropping. It'll probably be out by the time this video comes out. Sorry, let's look. It's June. Yeah, the song will be out on the 10th, and I think this video will be out on the 12th. So click that link in my description so that you can listen to my music. Make sure you follow me on social media at I'm the baddest, and other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.